Hey everyone, welcome back to the Planks. We're testing every single mask on Amazon. Today we are looking at the Dr. Smile K. Just put doctor in front of a name and it sounds legit. I love it. We are going to put this in the clamper and we were going to see how legit you are. Dr. K. Smile K. Why the K? Was Dr. Smile like already another brand? Oops. Bought this from Amazon. Put this in the clamper. What is it? Is this claiming to be a KF94? Ooh, this does not look like a KF94 at all. But I'll get into it. Don't worry, I'll figure it out. It's a mystery. And that's what we're here for, guys, to solve the mystery. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency Machine. If you want to find out more about how this works, I will put a link up there, but just so you know, we are doing the N95 test here. Now, I used to say there were not any fake KF94s that I could find, but now all of a sudden, the jig is up and they're everywhere. KF94s have to be made in Korea. I don't know much more about it just because I haven't been able to get my hands on the standard, but this actually does seem pretty legit. Made in Korea. Auroraworld Inc. Okay, that's the distributor. Auroraworld Corp. Republic of Korea. Made in Korea. You don't usually find manufacturers lying about the country of origin because it's huge finds there. Dr. Smile. Oh, I like that. That's a good. Koreans are really good at marketing. I do think this is legit because they're also putting it in an individual bag, but this is a different design. It's almost like the KN95 design that I've seen before. Let's do the, it just doesn't feel very strong. I don't know if a kid could do that. I mean, a real beefy kid for sure. So remember, the 94 in KF94 stands for 94%. That's what this machine is meant to test. This smell is chloroform. That's what it smells like. Why do I know that smell? Dark time in my childhood. I was wearing Dr. Smile K masks. No, never mind. I'm wondering if, I'm going to try one more thing because I want to see if this will break, if a kid would be able to break this on their face. Okay, no. But this thing is like really like, that's very weak. That's a very, very weak tear. But I peeked, I cheated, and it's a pretty good mask. I mean, the fabric's pretty good. 99.895. 99.895. And the breathability, 150 pascals. I always say, you know, from all the masks I've seen, I like to see 150 pascals or lower. So that's a pretty breathable mask. For whatever reason, kids' masks are usually harder to breathe in. I don't know why they do that. You know, your mileage may vary. All in all, Dr. Smile K, pretty good mask. Not the best mask I've seen, but it's up there. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your time and attention. We're running a competition. Leave a comment below in the next 24 hours on any of our videos, and something cool could happen. Thank you so much, and I will catch you on the next test.